Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota as a beginner. Dota 2 is a complex yet rewarding 5 versus 5 strategy game where two teams battle to destroy each other's main structure, called the Ancient. You select one hero from a vast pool of over 120 unique characters, each possessing 4 distinct abilities, including a powerful ultimate. Understanding your hero's role and skills is crucial for success in this dynamic arena. The Dota 2 map is divided into 3 main lanes, top, middle, and bottom, connecting the 2 bases. Between these lanes are jungles filled with neutral creeps, offering additional gold and experience. Each of the 5 players usually takes on a specific role, such as carry, mid, offlane, soft support, or hard support. Carries aim to become powerful late-game damage dealers, while supports focus on assisting their team and controlling the early game. To grow stronger, you must earn gold and experience. Gold is primarily acquired by delivering the final blow, or last hit, to enemy creeps and heroes. This gold is then spent on powerful items that significantly boost your hero's attributes and abilities. A key mechanic is denying, where you last hit your own low-health creeps to prevent enemies from gaining full gold and experience, giving your team a crucial advantage. Dota 2 is a team game, and securing objectives together is vital for victory. Major objectives include destroying enemy towers, which grant gold and open up the map, and defeating Roshan. Roshan drops the Aegis of the Immortal, a powerful item that grants its holder a one-time second life. Effective communication with your teammates is paramount for coordinating successful ganks, team fights, and ultimately, destroying the enemy Ancient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.